on.
So, we're back on the quest then?
Doesn't look like we have a choice.
I need a break. It's too hot.
Why is your face so red?
Oh no, I've got burnt. I should have had sun protection. You know, slip, slop, slap.
Ooh, is it a weapon to fight the sun?
That's got to be the smallest patu I've ever seen.
Are you going to beat Tamanui Te Rā with that little patu?
You can't even hold it properly.
Oh my god, no. Give it here, it's not a weapon.
Can I try?
We need water. We need to get to the stream.
What is it, girl?
Oh, it's okay. That's just the wind in the trees. You have such a strange drinking gourd.
You know I'm not from here, right?
So, where are you from then?
Well, I live at Hariki Beach.
So, you are from here?
Kind of, but I'm not from your time.
My time?
Zumi, it's just the wind. Chill, girl.
I think we follow the stream and keep away from those.
But it's so hot, Kura. And it's so much cooler under the trees. Woohoo! Come on. Come on, girl.
Oh, she never listens.
Yeah, she's kind of got a mind of her own.
Why would she do that?
I think she was just hot. And Rangi will keep her safe.
Yeah, but who's gonna keep Rangi safe?
It's okay, girl. It's just the wind. There's nothing there.
I'm so tired. Whoa. I went eeling once with my dad. He smoked them. Did your dad teach you too?
Our koro taught us how to catch and hunt all of our food and to cook it.
I mostly just get ours from the supermarket down the road. What?
That.
A place where all the food is.
All your kaya's in one place? All of it?
Sort of.
I guess we find our kai just about anywhere.